Good morning everybody, I hope everyone is well. Happy holiday period. It's December, so that's official now, right? We can say that. Yeah, we can say that. Everyone's probably seen the Lensa AI app and the awesome pictures it's making. All of the ones I got kept giving me a particular theme. So today, I am going to create myself into my Lensa AI. We're going to turn the blonde into pink. Let's go. Okay, so the first step is to shower and shampoo and towel dry. So I'll be right back. Okay, hair is washed, towel dried, let's get the color in. Okay, the color is in. Now we wait 30 minutes. The hair has been washed, it's been conditioned. Time to get it dried. Okay, it's time to dry. And it's summer in Australia. Humidity damages my hair. So this is my go-to. It is the Color Wow Dream Coat. Highly recommend it if it's hot where you are. Okay, no makeup yet, but we're very pink. Okay, we're all done. I hope you guys love it. It is very pink. I think I need to change my outfit because it's a bit clashy, but I think it's really cute. I don't know if I'll keep it permanently because I do love being blonde, but I think it's a good little change up. But thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing and hit the little bell notification so you get a notification every time I upload. And follow me on TikTok and on Twitch, where my username is also Streamologist. In fact, I think on TikTok it's Streamologist_Twitch because Streamologist was taken. Who knew? But thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.